Yes, we are live. Welcome, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us today. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate each and every one of us. Thank you for joining us. And if you're new to this channel, I want to use this opportunity to welcome you. And my name is Nekky. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So, as you have seen on the title, the topic we are treating today is nutrients that we cannot get from animal food. Yes, there are some nutrients that we can't get from animal food. But these nutrients, you get them from plant-based food. Animal-based foods are rich in essential nutrients, something like protein, vitamin B12, nutrients that like iron, you get them from animal products like meat. When you eat meat, you get all these kind of nutrients from. But there are a lot of nutrients that you cannot get from animal products. So that is why it's advisable when you're eating, you mix your food in a way that you're getting all the nutrients from different kinds of food. So you have to be adding a lot of plant-based food to your diet because they are packed with lots of nutrients that our body really needs. And sometimes this animal product, some of them have the nutrient we're going to talk, but they have insufficient of it. It's not enough to carry us. So you have to support it by eating plant that will give you this nutrient that I'm going to be talking about. We have about 8 nutrients that you only get from plants. So my lovely people, you need to be adding plants to your vegetables. So let's jump right into it because I don't want to waste much time for this so that we don't make this video a very long one. And before I go on, if you like us to be coming live like this, please let me know in the comments so that I can be prepared for this kind of videos, because I want to create an opportunity that we can chat, ask questions, because I don't normally have much time to answer everybody's questions when you drop them on the comment section. And if you come in, please let me know where you're watching us from. Let us know who is watching, and you know, write something so that I can know that you are watching. Thank you so much, Rola. Thank you so much for watching, and I thank you, Elaine. Thank you so much also for watching. So just right into it. The first nutrient that we get from other products like plant-based that we don't get from animal is vitamin C. We don't have vitamin C when it comes to animal products. And this vitamin C is very essential for immune function, for collagen production, and also for the absorption of iron from the food that you eat. Yes, we have iron in animal products, but you need vitamin C to be able to absorb that iron that is in animal products. So whenever you're eating, try to make sure that your food has vitamin C in it so that you can absorb the iron that is in that animal products that you're eating. I don't know if you understand. So even when you're eating plant food also, you need to be adding vitamin C, because if you do not have vitamin C, there are a lot, you can't absorb something like iron, because iron is something that needs vitamin C for it to get absorbed into our body. So vitamin C is one nutrient that you can't get from animal products. You always get it from plant food. Plant food like citrus fruits, lemon, grapefruit, lime, orange, all those things are packed with vitamin C. And when you eat your food, and you eat your food like drinking food, things that are drinks that are high in vitamin C, you're getting a lot of benefit from what you're eating, because iron, for example, needs vitamin C to get absorbed into the body. And if you want to also increase your iron level, you have to be incorporating bell peppers, especially the red bell peppers. They are packed with vitamin C. I think it's the highest in all the vegetables that have vitamin C content. So eating bell peppers will help you to reach up to the level of the vitamin C that your body really needs in a day. Incorporate it. You can eat it fresh, you can steam it, you can add it to your food, or you can even use it to make your sauce. You blend it and you add it instead of using paste tomato or tin tomato. You can buy bell peppers, you blend it and use it to make your sauce, or you add it to your soups. There are many ways you can add those things to your food, and you're getting a lot of nutrient from it, especially the vitamin C that is very important. We also have vitamin C in strawberries, broccolis, kiwi. Those things are packed with lots of vitamin C. There are lots of food that you can get that will give you vitamin C, but I'm just going to hint on few of them, because if we should call all of the food in this video, it's going to be a very long one. That is number one. And number two kind of nutrient that you will not get from animal product, but you will get them in plant-based food is fiber. Fiber cannot be seen in animal product. Meat do not have fiber. It doesn't have fiber. That is why it takes a long time for meat to digest into your body than when you eat fiber food. Fiber food helps you to digest, and digest in a way that is not going to be a problem for your organs, because it's going to help the digestive organs to function better than eating food that do not have fiber in it. And this fiber can only be found in plant-based food, not animal food. And this, like I said, it is very crucial for digestive health. It helps also to regulate blood sugar, reducing cholesterol levels. If you eat food that do not have fiber, it's not gonna help your blood pressure, because this fiber helps the blood pressure to get into your system slowly, because the fiber will delay digestive system, so that your food do not digest faster and go straight to your bloodstream. So you eat food that are high in fiber, will help you a lot. And this fiber, like I said, cannot be found in animal products. Animal product I'm talking about is like cow meat, chicken, fish, all those kind of, what animal food are. You can't find fiber in them. Fiber is mostly found in plant-based, and it's very good for us to eat food that are high in fiber, something like legumes. And legumes, you have like lentils, beans, chickpeas. All those food are legumes, and they are packed with lots of fiber. They help your digestive issues. And also, you find fiber in vegetables like green leafy vegetables, spinach, kale, cruciferous vegetables, carrots. They are high in fiber, and your body needs fiber to function. Your body needs fiber for digestion. So those kind of vegetables is what you really need to add to your diet. And when it comes to fruits, the fruit that are high in fiber are apples, pears, berries. These foods are good for the digestive issues. It's good for us. It's meant for us to eat. While you're eating your animal products, while you're eating the things you're eating, incorporate all these food to your system, to your diet, so that your body functions much more better. And also, other kind of food that are high in fiber are nuts and seeds. If you are an old subscriber on this channel, or you have been following me for a very long time, you know I add lots. I normally do my recipes with nuts and seeds. Not only do they have fiber, they have a lot of nutrients that you can benefit from it. And nut and seed have this fiber we're talking about. Some nuts and seeds like chia seeds, walnut, flaxseed, almond nuts. These foods are high in fiber that will help us to digest our food properly. Animal food like meat, dairy are the things that do not have fiber in them. They do not have fiber at all. So if you want to get nutrients that help you to digest your food properly, consider adding those foods that are high in fiber. And another kind of nutrient that we get from plant-based that we do not get from animal product is those phytonutrients, phytochemicals, plant compounds food that you cannot find in animal product. These are very important for our body, for our digestive issues, for our body to function much more better. And they are naturally occurring compounds found in plants. You can't find it anywhere else except in plants. And we need these phytonutrients for health benefits. They have lots of health benefits, like they are packed with anti-inflammatory properties, antioxidant properties, anti-cancer properties. These are originally made by God. This is how it is. Nothing less from it. And these phytonutrients, we need them for our body to function much better. Thank you, Sandra from Alabama. Thank you so much. And I thank you. Okay, Rola, thank you so much for joining us. Please, if you join us, don't forget to let us know where you're watching. That will help us to know who watching and where you're watching us from. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as you're watching us, because that will help us a lot. And these phytonutrients helps to protect the cells from damage. And it lowers the risk of diseases in our body. All these nutrients we are going through today, please add them in your diet. Add them. Make sure you add all this food. They are going to help you a lot. I'm here to encourage you to do as much as you can so that you can help your body function more effectively. And examples of these phytonutrients, we have flavonoids, carotenoids, which we always get from carotenoids. You get like from green leafy vegetables, from carrots, all those polyphenols. All those things are the things that we need, and you can only get them from plants. So add a lot of all these colorful food. Like when you are eating food, make your food to have like rainbow color. I don't know if you have heard that. They say add different colors of food. By adding different colors of food, you are making this your plate to have different nutrients. Because if purple has its own nutrients, orange has its own nutrients, greens have, there's reason why they have those colors. And the reason why they have those colors is what our body needs. So I encourage you to add different colors of food to your diet, because different colors has different kinds of nutrients that the body gives. And these animal products, the animal products like meat, they do not have these phytonutrients. They do not have it. So I encourage you to add this plant-based food to your diet, because it helps you a lot so as to give your body the right food. I'm not saying that you don't eat your animal product. Eat your animal product, but also incorporate these things to your diet so that you get other nutrients that animal product cannot give you. And when you talk of this animal plant-based food that have this kind of phytonutrients, you talk of berries, blueberries, strawberries, green leafy vegetables, like I said, kale, spinach, cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, tomato, red grapes. There are something that gave this food this color, and that is what we are seeking for in those food. So make your plate a very rainbow color, because you're going to be getting a lot from it. And the next nutrient we are also not getting from animal product, but we get them from plant-based, is folate. That is folic acid. How many of it do you get? How many folate do you get on each day? If you're a lover of only eating meat, I will encourage you to add fruit and vegetables, legumes, so that you can also get these nutrients I'm talking about. And this is very essential for DNA synthesis. So if you are not incorporating this, you don't get a lot of folic acid in your system. And this is good for cell division, it's good for brain function. It's also good for, if you're pregnant, you need folic acid. If you have given birth, you know what folic acid is. It's very important, especially if you're pregnant, because your child needs this folic acid. So how do you get this folic acid? You can't get it from animal. You can only get it from plants. So you have to eat lots of plant-based sources of this folic acid. And when you talk of this plant-based sources of this folic acid, you have to get it from green leafy vegetables. There are a lot of them. Anyone that is where you live, get that. You must not get every other one that is in other continents, in other countries, but get the one that you can lay your hands on. You are going to benefit a lot from it. You can go with something that is in season. You enjoy it while it's in season. And when it's out of season, you move to the next one that is in season. By so doing, you're keeping up to your regular getting of these nutrients. And you can also get it from legumes, lentils, beans, peas. You can also get it from avocado. Avocado is a very good food. It's rich in lots of nutrients. Asparagus, you can even get it from beets, whether they leaf or the roots. You benefit from these things and you're getting a lot of folic acid. That is our number 4 nutrients that you can get from plant-based that you can get from animal product. And the next one is magnesium. You can't get magnesium from animal product. You can only get it from plant-based. And this magnesium is very vital for muscle and nerve function. If you're shortage of magnesium, if you know your body very well, if you know your body very well, you will know when you have magnesium or when you're lacking it. Because when you're lacking it, if you know your body very well, you're going to notice symptoms of it. You'll be having weakness of your muscles or your nerves. You'll be noticing that a lot of things will be going on. Magnesium is one of the nutrients that you really need, and you can't find it in animal product. So you have to get this magnesium from plant-based sources because it's very good and it helps in bringing down bringing down or controlling your blood sugar. So you have to make sure you're taking in a lot of magnesium. It's good for your bone health. And this is one of the nutrients you need. And magnesium is also to help you to calm your nerves down, especially if you have been stressed at work, you have been so busy for the day, you want to have a good night rest. Eat food that are high in magnesium. Even if you don't that day, maybe you didn't eat a lot of food that are high in magnesium, I will also encourage you to supplement. It helps you to calm your nerves down and have a good night rest. Magnesium is very good and it helps you with your heart too. So these are very important. And you can get this from nuts and seeds, green leafy vegetables, whole grains, legumes, avocados. Watch all this food I'm calling, they also are the food that you can get within you. You can get beans within you. You can get lentils within you. You can get carrot. You can get cucumber. You can get all this food within you. Add them to your diet. You can make salad and add different kinds of fruits and vegetables. You are getting a lot from it. Even if you make it as a snack, not your main meal, you will still benefit a lot from it. And that is our 5th nutrient that we cannot get from animal product, but we can only get it from plant. And the next one, which is our 6th one, is vitamin K1. Vitamin K1 cannot get it from animal product because animal product provides vitamin K2. But vitamin K1, we can only get it from plant, which is very important for the bone and heart health. Because this vitamin K1 is found in plants. And the plants that you can get this vitamin K1 is also like green leafy vegetables, which involves kale, spinach, collard greens, and you can get it also from cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts. So all those food and the places you can get this vitamin K1. Remember what I said, vitamin K2 can be gotten from animal products, but vitamin K1 cannot be gotten from animal product. You can also get it from herbs like parsley, basil. You can also get this vitamin K1 from green beans, cabbage. This vitamin K1 is essential for blood clotting and bone health. It's good for your heart. It's good that you make sure you have all these nutrients, because some signs you'll be experiencing, you might not know what you're lacking. Maybe until you go to hospital before it can be diagnosed that you have this issue, you have this issue. But if we make sure that we eat at least up to these nutrients, getting them from fruits, from vegetables, from eating your animal product. Animal product has the ones they provide. Like I said from the beginning, they can give you protein, they can give you iron, they can give you vitamin D12, vitamin B12, they can give you that. But you have to incorporate these ones I'm calling, because you can only get them from plant-based. And the next nutrient that we can get from plant-based is carotenoids, which is the beta carotene. You can call it carotenoids, you can call it beta carotene. These are plant antioxidants. They are converted into vitamin A in our body. When we eat them, they are converted into vitamin A. And this is very important for vision, for immune health, to boost your immune system. They are very good for us to be incorporating this. You can get these carotenoids or beta carotene from food like carrots, from food like sweet potatoes. You can also get it from butternut squash. You can get it from spinach, kale. You can get it from red bell peppers. These are food. If you watch these foods icon now, they have different colors. They are rich in colors, especially the orange colors. They have lots of these carotenoids and beta carotene or beta carotene. Animal food provides vitamin A in a form of retinol, but they don't provide it in a form of beta carotene that is converted into vitamin A in our body. So this is something that we need, because animal products do not contain carotenoids, which offer these additional protective health benefits to us. We need to add different kinds of foods to our diet. You can add it in your smoothies, you can steam it, you can use it in your salads, you can use it in different ways, and your body is benefiting a lot from it. Thank you so much, Rola. Thank you so much for supporting us. Thank you so much for what you have given to the channel. I appreciate it so much. And you can join us also on the join button that is on this channel, so that you can be supporting the channel. Whatever that is in your mind, whatever you can give to support the growth of this channel, for us to be doing this kind of thing we're doing, is well appreciated. And I thank you so much for doing that. And our last, which is our 8 nutrients that you get from plant sources without getting them from any animal products, is lignans. Lignans is a type of phytoestrogen and antioxidants. They support heart health. When you're having heart issue, you will know what I'm talking about. You will do everything that you can to support the function of your heart. Because if your heart is not beating normally, is not pumping blood normally, it might be because you are not eating some things that will support the heart, that will help the heart function very well. When it comes to food, you have to make your food your medicine. Don't eat food for the sake of eating food, but eat it because you know it's healing your body. While you're taking care of your medication, while you're taking your medications and doing what you're supposed to do by the doctors, by hospital people, you have to also know what goes into your mouth, because that helps a lot. I don't want to deviate from what we're talking about. So this lignans helps to support heart health. It also helps to balance hormones. It helps to balance your hormone. If you're having hormonal issues or hormonal imbalance, you have to add lots of vegetable, fruits, that is plant-based products. It's going to help you a lot. I'm talking from experience. Because when I eat food that are high in plant-based food, I get lots of benefits from eating that food. So I'm telling you what I have experienced, and I'm encouraging you so that you can also experience the good things I have experienced and benefit from all this. While you're eating your animal products, you have to add these ones. I'm not saying that you should quit eating animal products if it is not in your way of quitting them, but add this food to your diet. It's going to help you a lot. And the kind of sources where you're going to be getting these lignans is from flaxseed, sesame seed, whole grains like barley, oats. You can also get it from lentils, which is legumes, chickpeas, beans. All those things are where you get this kind of nutrients. And you also get it from berries. You can snack on berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries. You can snack on them. If you snack on them, these food are natural. They have complete of the nutrients they have. They have not been processed, nothing has been removed from it. So this food, this nutrient, you only get it from plant-based. Animal products, animal-based food do not contain lignans, which are especially in seeds, legumes, grains, fruit, vegetables. Please, I encourage you, check what you eat. You can heal your body by yourself. You can heal your body by what you eat, because what you eat definitely will help you a lot to be healthy, not to be falling sick all the time. Because if you eat food that are high in cholesterol, food that are high in saturated fats, you eat food that are so much work for your organs to digest, you are not giving you're not giving your body the right food to help it to heal. The body can heal itself if you give it the right food. So what I'm saying is, as in essence, is that we should eat variety of plant-based foods that will help ensure that you are getting these vital nutrients. You're getting the vitamin C, you're getting magnesium, you're getting folate, you're getting carotenoids, you're getting lignans, you're getting vitamin K1, you're getting all these vitamin C that you really need. You need it in your body, and this is what you can only get. You can only get this from plant-based food, especially if you're following a vegan or vegetarian diet. You understand what I'm talking about, because these are mainly what you eat. You eat food that are from plant-based. You prepare them in a way that you will like them. You prepare them in a way that it will nourish your body. You mix different kinds of food. You make salads. Salad can be very interesting. It can be very delicious. It's not only greens that you can find in salad. When you're making salad, you can add sweet potato, you can add beans, you can add nuts, you can make it with different kinds of things. As long as you're eating different varieties of food, that will help you a lot too, to get all these nutrients we're talking about. Balancing animal and plant-based food is a key to ensuring a well-rounded, nutrient-dense diet. When you are combining your animal food with lots of fruits and vegetables, with legumes, with healthy fats like avocado, using healthy oils like extra virgin olive oil, all those things will help you to stay fit and to stay strong. We should try as much as we can to reduce our food from eating food that are high in saturated fats. It does not help us. It's not good for your heart. It's not good for your high blood pressure. It's not even good for your blood sugar. So if you're suffering from all these things and you really want to heal yourself, or you have health issue that you want to take care of, I will encourage you, please, to add more plant-based food to your diet. You're going to benefit a lot, and you testify. Even if you didn't testify to this channel, you're going to tell your family members, I feel different, I feel better, I feel good, I think what I'm eating is good for me. Even if it means eating one raw food, that might be our next topic. Eating one raw food a day, and see what will happen to your body. That will be our next topic. Maybe I will arrange for it, and we will come up and tell you what you can benefit from eating at least one raw food in a day. One raw food in a day can wow you to say, so I can feel this way. I can get all this benefit from just eating one raw food, not cooked food. You can eat your cooked food for 2 meals, but in one of the meals, you just eat raw food that are packed with all those enzymes, nutrients, vitamins, minerals that your body needs. You're going to benefit a lot. So, with that, we come to the end of today's live streaming. Thank you so much if you have joined us up to this moment. Thank you so much. And I appreciate each and every one of us that have commented, that have said hi. I've seen all your comments. Thank you, Jacqueline, watching us from Jamaica. Thank you so much, Rola. I thank you so much for your comments. And thank you so much, Honor Yourself. Yeah, Honor Yourself is telling us that plant-based is best. Yes, plant-based is the best kind of food that you can add to your diet. Try it. I'm just encouraging you to try it. Try it. He says somebody is 72 years young. He had been raw vegan for over 50 years and look only about 45. That is what you benefit from it. You look younger than your age because you give your body the right food. Because whatever you eat definitely reflects outside you. So I will encourage you to incorporate raw food, plant-based food into your diet while you are also enjoying your meat. Limit meat. If you're up to 40 years, I will encourage you, limit the intake of meat that you take, because your body is getting weak for those kind of foods to digest. Eat food that will digest easier for your system. Because if you give them a lot of work all the time, because you eat food that is hard for them to digest, they will work and work and work and they get tired. So reduce the work you give to your organs by eating food that are easy on them to digest and process. So thank you so much for everyone that have contributed in your comments and those that will also comment while watching this video. I thank you, and I'm gonna see you all in the next video. Let me know if you want us to be doing this at least every weekend. This is our second week that we are doing this. I did it last week. Please let us know in the comment if you want us to be doing this every week so that we can also chat, and if you have any question you can ask me. Thank you so much, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye bye.